Okay, horse, let's go for a ride, even though it's dark. Giddy up. Oh no!
Hi, I'm Hudson Morrow, president of Horse Headlights Incorporated. Every year, 5 people die of horse carriage incidents. That number is too great. With our new product, Horse Headlights, we can reduce this number and save a countless amount of lives. Don't you wish you had horse headlights?
Of course I do.
I know I do.
Our new product at Horse Headlights is easy to put on, easy to fix, and has 2 revolutionary modes. If you call now at 403-462-9528, you can get 2 sets of horse headlights and just 36 easy payments of $12.74. That's right, 403-462-9528.
Anyone can use horse headlights. Even I can.
Nay.
Horse headlights can save lives.
Let's go for a ride, horse. Whoa! Thank goodness I had my horse headlights, or I would have hit you.
Once again, call now at 403-462-9528. That's 403-462-9528 and get 1 pair of horse headlights free.
Hello, I'm Prime Minister Jordan Sarah, and I approve this message.
Horse headlights. Horse crashes? No. Horse headlights? Yes.
Give me that mo wet. Give me that crystal style. Ladies love my style. At my table getting wild. Get them bottles poppin'. We get that drippin', that drop. Now give me 2 more bottles, cause you know it don't stop. Hell yeah.
Here at BJ's, we come quick and finish fast.
Uh-oh. Clogged the frog. BJ's? I need my pipes fixing, eh?
Oh no. Hello? Okay, I'll be right over.
Thanks for coming, eh?
Anytime, any place. We don't care if you're dumping. We'll get your pipes a-pumping.
BJ's Plumbing, the #1 plumbing in the world.
Scientifically proven.
We'll plumb anytime, anywhere.
And our prices are very fair.
9 out of 10 citizens choose BJ's Plumbing.
Also scientifically proven.
We don't just pump the toilets, we pump up the jam.
Remember, call 111-111-1111, pipe you.
Scientifically proven.
And remember,
First we pipe your house.
and then we pipe another house.
A-Town
BJ's Plumbing. First we pipe your house, and then we pipe another house.
Easy to fix and has 2.
You got it.
Scientifically proven.
We'll pump.